Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add two sounds to one TikTok video. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create TikTok video. I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to choose photo or video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose a video from my gallery. I'm going to select this video. Okay, click on next. And if we want to add sound to TikTok, we can click on add sound. And then you can choose the sound from the TikTok. Wait guys, I'm just going to pick random sound. This one. Okay. And I'm going to go back. And now this sound has been added to my video. And to add two sounds, we need to go to the editing tools. Okay, this is for the first sound. And for the second sound, I'm going to go to the sound option. And then we can select sound effect. Okay, then you can choose the sound that you want. I'm going to go to the background music. And I'm going to choose for example this one. Okay, and we need to download this sound before we apply it to our video. Okay, and I'm going to click on use, and now two sounds have been added to my video, as you can see guys. And I'm going to play my video to show you the result. Okay, all right, and after you have ready to share your TikTok video, you can click on next, and then you will be able to share it to your TikTok. You can add description and then add link, and then you will be able to customize the video language. And then about the privacy setting, you can customize it right here. And then once you're ready to share your TikTok video, you can click on post. And the TikTok video will be posted with two sounds in it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add two sounds to one TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.